Previously on this channel, you will have seen that we had plenty of this. It rained and it rained. But eventually we got to Falkirk and we saw the fantastic kelpies. We did lots more of this. And then we stopped for lunch in Arbroath and had some fantastic smokies. They were delicious. After a great lunch, we carried on and did lots more of this. Until finally, with the sea firmly in sight, we made our way up to Aberdeen to meet our mate Colin.
Well, good morning. We're in Aberdeen. The sun is shining, the temperature's rising, and we're off for a great day out. Courtesy of our mate Colin, who's planned this route. We've got a couple of other riders with us today, so we're gonna have a good time. Welcome if you're new to watching me doing this. I hope you enjoy it. Let's have a cracking day. We're on the road to the Lecht and Tomintoul road. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And we're going to stop at Tour for some lunch, I believe. I'm currently riding behind Gareth, who's on a 900 Triumph tidy bike, and today we're also joined with Dave on his Honda, his Transalp 750, which is a tidy do bike. And we met Dave in India when we went to Goa, so it's good to see him again. Well, this is a little place called Echt, ECHT, very patriotic, these Scots. Good to see. Oh, 20 mile an hour when lights flashing. Lights are flashing. That'll be 20 mile an hour then. Ooh, cool. I've got to say, Colin's done it again. He has scored. This is a fantastic road. I'll have to find out where we are and put it up. But yeah, it's just empty. I know this is a white van, but it's just, you hardly see any traffic. Now that's the sign a biker doesn't ever want to see, ice. But yeah, this glorious road, I mean, and the view just keeps opening up. Every time you go through the woods, which is fantastic, you pop out and it's more and more scenery, bigger than you can see. It's just glorious. Love it, love it. Well, we've just arrived at Ballater. Colin needed a pie, so we stopped for a coffee and a pie. If you're Colin, Jeff's going to probably treat himself to something. But no, it's been a cracking ride this morning. Absolutely beautiful road. Yeah, so get that out the top of my head. So yeah, I had a cracking ride today. So it's it's going to be a good one. Well, that was a nice little coffee stop. I was going to say a pie stop, but I didn't have one. But there were plenty of pies eaten. Lovely little place. I think I've been here before. It's lovely. Well, this was what we call double jeopardy here, because there's a police car there. We're on a fantastic road. Police car there, and we've got two caravans up ahead. So, and this is a glorious valley. There's a river down there. I don't know whether you can see it, glinting through the trees. Yeah, it's lovely. This is signposted to Tomintoul. They did say there was going to be some single track, which is all good. I like a nice bit of variety in the ride. Good idea. Well done, Gareth. cool. Thank you, sir. Back into the trees. Oop, bit of dirt. Well, that was as good as I remembered it from last time. What an incredible bit of road. See why it gets snowed in. It's quite high, I should imagine. This is I think it's a coffee place. Yes, it is. Tea rooms and gift shop. Perfect. Perfect. Seems to be a bit of a popular horn as well. This is the Cockbridge Road. Warnings of it being steep. You won't be able to see this on the camera, but it is bloody steep. Come in the wrong gear. There we go. Well, will you look at that? This day just gets better and better. This is Tomintoul. Very typical cottage layout. Apart from that one, seem to have lost Colin. We're now in Speyside, which is the whisky trail. Get a lot of whisky distilleries on Speyside, which just happens to be my favourite whisky region. So this should be interesting. I just spoken to Colin. He said, "Where are we going?" Yeah, I said, "Where are we going?" We should have turned off somewhere else. We turned right instead of left apparently, or left instead of right. So he doesn't quite know where we're going.
So that was us done at the Glenfiddich distillery gift shop. So we headed off back towards Aberdeen, and we took a road up through the Cabrach, which is a phenomenal road with awesome beauty. It's an ancient, hauntingly beautiful part of the Cairngorms, and its history stretches back to the very earliest inhabitants of Scotland, apparently. It's got a really strong sense of place. But it's also famous for lots of illicit whisky distilleries, and is generally considered as the home or the birthplace of the malt whisky industry. We came across this building just a few miles outside of Aberdeen, so we thought it would be a good idea, a good opportunity to stop, park up for a bit and let Jeff get his drone up. And then we had a visit from the local constabulary. But all ended well. They just wanted to stop and say hello.
So here we are, Saturday morning. This is day 2 of being in Aberdeen, and it looks like we're going to be blessed with the weather again this morning. We're off to find a waterfall, and then maybe to go and see some sea caves. So it should be an interesting day again today. See you later. Well, that's some wind damage down here. There's loads of trees uprooted. Noticed this the other day when we came by. Lovely wildlife. Well, I don't know where Colin's taking us, but it's getting more and more remote. Ooh, mountain bike, electric bike. We're looking for, I think it's a waterfall we're going to this morning, so that Jeff can get his drone up. He didn't have much opportunity yesterday, so we're going to try and get some footage today, as it's just the 3 of us. So Colin knows this place. Yeah, he must know this place, because oh, here we go. There's these properties just, you know, in the middle of nowhere, and they are, some of them are absolute dream homes. It's gorgeous. Love it. Okay. Look at that, just tucked in on a corner. Beautiful. Moonern Lodge. These are the Falls of Youth.
Now, we were visiting Scotland in late September, and then had a very, very warm summer, of course. So the river was very, very low. So perhaps the waterfalls weren't quite as spectacular as we were expecting. But yeah, I think that's just bad timing on our part.
This is the footbridge over the River Few. Lovely little place. Oh, thank you.
So we've come to visit the Bulls of Buchan, which is an interesting sea caves feature. It used to be there was a fishing village here, and these people gained a thin living from the sea from the top of these cliffs. So it's quite a harsh living. You can see what the cottages are like, but anyway, a very interesting thing we've got to see.
So on the way back, we're passing the Brewdog factory. So we popped in and had a look to see what was going on. It's well worth a visit. The food's great, the beer is obviously great, and they do lots of alcohol free for bikers. So yeah, well worth a visit. Well, that's pretty much our trip to the Cairngorms. Following day, we faced the rain all the way back down to Devon, but we had a cracking time overall. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a like.